Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. What is pulmonary edema? Pulmonary edema is a condition in which the lungs fill with fluid. It is also known as lung congestion, lung water, and pulmonary congestion. But timely treatment for pulmonary edema and its underlying cause can improve possible outcomes. Causes of pulmonary edema. There are several possible causes of pulmonary edema. Congestive heart failure, heart attack, or other heart diseases, leaking, narrowed or damaged heart valves, sudden high blood pressure, pneumonia, kidney failure, lung damage caused by severe infection, severe sepsis of the blood, or blood poisoning caused by infection. External factors: high altitude exposure, illicit drugs use or drug overdose, lung damage caused by inhalation of toxins, severe trauma, major injury, near drowning. Symptoms of pulmonary edema: shortness of breath when being physically active, difficulty in breathing when lying down, wheezing, waking up at night with breathless, feeling that goes away when you sit up, rapid weight gain, especially in the legs, swelling in the lower part of the body, fatigue. High altitude pulmonary edema. Pulmonary edema due to altitude sickness or not getting enough oxygen in the air will have the symptoms that include headache, irregular rapid heartbeat, shortness of breath after exertion and during rest, coughing, fever, difficulty in walking uphill and on flat surfaces. Diagnosis of pulmonary edema. Your doctor will look for fluid in your lungs or symptoms caused by its presence. They will perform a basic physical examination and listen your lungs with a stethoscope looking for an increased heart rate, rapid breathing, a crackling sound from your lungs, any abnormal heart sound. Your doctor may also look at your neck for fluid buildup, legs and abdomen for swelling, and if you have pale or blue colored skin. Complete blood count, echocardiogram and ultrasound, chest x-ray to see fluid, blood test to check oxygen levels, ECG to look for heart rhythm. Treatment of pulmonary edema. Pulmonary edema is a serious condition that requires quick treatment. Oxygen is always the first line treatment for this condition. Your healthcare team may prop you up and deliver 100% oxygen through an oxygen mask, nasal cannula or positive pressure mask. Your doctor will also diagnose the cause of pulmonary edema and prescribe the appropriate treatment for the underlying cause. Depending on your condition and the cause of your pulmonary edema, your doctor may also give preload reducers. These help decrease pressures from the fluid going into your heart and lungs. Diuretics also help to reduce this pressure by making you urinate, which eliminates fluid. Afterload reducers. These medications dilate your blood vessel and take pressure off your heart. Heart medication. This will control your pulse, reduce high blood pressure and relieve pressure in the arteries and veins. Morphine. This narcotic is used to relieve anxiety and shortness of breath, but fewer doctors today use morphine due to the risk. In severe cases, people with pulmonary edema may need intensive or critical care. In other cases of pulmonary edema, you may need treatment to help you breathe. A machine will deliver oxygen under pressure to help get more air into the lungs. Sometimes this can be done with a mask or cannula, also called continuous positive airway pressure. Your doctor may need to insert an endotracheal tube or breathing tube down your throat and use mechanical ventilation. Thank you all. Have a nice day.